Hey guys, I'm Raphaela, and if you or someone that you know is constantly cold, you need to check out these 5 Amazon finds. These are literally how I survive the winter and keep my energy bills at basically nothing. So I work from home, which means I'm the only person here for the majority of the day. And as soon as the kids leave, I turn the air off and I just kind of toggle back and forth between these 5 things, and I am super comfy all day long. So the first thing that I use is this electric fireplace, and we really only turn this on like once or twice a day in the morning to sort of knock the chill out of the air. You have to shut it off after about 10 minutes because it just it's only heating this 400 or 500 square foot area, and it gets really hot within a little bit under 10 minutes. So then after that, I use this Dreo personal heater, which is about 5 feet away from me on the counter, and then it has a remote, which I love, so I can kind of turn it on and off as I feel that the temperature in the room is becoming uncomfortable. And then a lot of the time what I will do, quite honestly, is I don't have either one of those running, and I have this little neck scarf on, and it has the little battery pack, and I just have that around my neck and a very thin blanket on my lap, and I stay fine. And if it does get a little chilly, I'll just kick on the Dreo for 5 minutes and then turn it right. Socks, guys, they're socks. It's hard to get excited, except to say that I would not be able to walk without shoes on. We have concrete, stained concrete floors. Oh, and then these are my absolute favorite for running errands during the winter, so that I don't have to, that way I can wear all my summer stuff and I just wear the tights under it. It looks like your skin color, but it has this super plush, fleece lining. If you are a girl or you know one, buy this for them. They will love you. It comes in nude and black, and I am obsessed with these. These are my absolute faves for staying warm all day while also keeping my heating bills basically at nothing, super, super low. And I know that they will do the same for you. I hope that was helpful. See you guys in the next one. Bye, friends.